My name is Rajge. I am going to do homework which you have given. Question number 17. In chapter 8, folding and unfolding, there are three figures. In first figure, there is one circle. So I had also taken one circle. In that circle, in first figure, we have to do a circle fold from right to left, so I will also do like that. In second figure we have to do a folding from bottom to top, so I will also do like that. In third figure we have to do a punch in that circle, so in this we have to do a punch on like that circle, three punches from. Now I will unfold the figure. So when we unfold, our answer is B1. In A1 there is no more circles. So A1 is wrong. In B there is more circles like this. So that is correct. We see a C1 also. In C1 there is no there are only 4 circles and big circles. In D1 there are only 4 circles and one is bigger. So the right answer is B1. So we tick mark the B1. So the right answer is B1. Thank you.